Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Abdul Hafiz Qasmi, a part of Al Islam National Academy. My dear brothers and sisters, our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Talabul ilmi faridatun ala kulli Muslim." It means seeking the knowledge is obligatory on every Muslim. Alhamdulillah, our academy provides the students with Islamic education along with modern education. So, Maktab department is very important part of our mission. There are 13 muallims who teach our students from LKG to class 8, boys and girls separately, 1 hour daily, 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. We impart to our students Islamic studies like reciting the glorious Quran according to Tajweed rules and regulations, faiths, aqaid, adab and akhlaq, morals and ethics, etc. On the other hand, for those students who live in hostel, two muallims always guide them to spend day and night according to the sunnah ways, to perform salah 5 times a day with jamaat, etc. Sometimes we decorate stages with the performances of our students like qiraat competition, ghazal competition, allocation competition, etc. to develop their skills to revolutionize in the fields. In short, we always tell to our students that तुम शौक से कॉलेज में पढ़ो, तुम शौक से कॉलेज में पढ़ो, पार्क में खेलो, तुम शौक से कॉलेज में पढ़ो, पार्क में खेलो, जायज है तुम गुब्बारों में उड़ो, चारख पे झूलो, पर एक सुखन बंदा आजिज की रहे याद, पर एक सुखन बंदा आजिज की रहे याद, अल्लाह को और अपनी हकीकत को ना भूलो। शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच. Keep supporting us to materialize our dreams.